Dr. Jaffe, how does ELISA Act distinguish between helpful and harmful responses? And can you get the same information from a serum IgG test?
The ex vivo LRA by ELISA Act is a true cell culture. And when we say ex vivo, it means that you have all the cells present, except for the red cells, that would be present in the bloodstream. And the blood is taken in a way that there's no activation of blood clotting, and it's transported under special conditions so that it's metabolically quiet until we're ready to bring it back to body temperature for a few hours, and then look at the activation signal that we have been monitoring, measuring since 1983. And we've published at the American Society for Integrative Pathology the precision of the assay, less than 3% variance on over 4,000 consecutive blind split samples over several years. And so it is a new generation of functional immunology, functional measurement of B and T cells, specifically the B cells that respond to harmful antibodies. They get turned on by harmful antibodies, but not by helpful antibodies. The helpful neutralizing antibodies do not turn on B cells, but the complement fixing harmful antibodies do. And so when you do a cell culture and you see the B cells activate, you know that was a harmful IgG complement fixing antibody. And the T cells react without any antibody, but that's another whole level to the measurement, and you cannot get any T cell information from a serum IgG test. And a serum IgG test just tells you whether there's an antibody present, whether the physical chemistry says that there's an antibody present, but it can tell you nothing about the function. Is it a beneficial neutralizing antibody? We can't tell. Is it a harmful complement fixing antibody? We can't tell. So the older generation of serum tests were convenient, but they lacked sensitivity and specificity. They really were not clinically predictive in the way that an ex vivo LRA cell culture can be.